So I was one of the first people in my family to make $500,000 in selling cars, you know what I mean, and really just killing it. So, and where I come from, making $100,000, you're a millionaire, you know, from what we thought. So it started to pay off. The more I started to focus on myself, the more I started to work on myself, the more I started to work on those habits and those rituals, it was like, dude, everything's possible. You know what I mean?
And
so, yeah.
How were you able to find like that group of friends that propelled you to that next level?
Well, I think the more that you focus on yourself, the more people can tell who to hang around. You know what I mean? And so the more I just started studying myself and mastering myself and dominating myself, it was like I started gaining mentors out of just the freaking world. It was like the world started to give me what I was looking for, because I wasn't looking for bad shit. I was looking for good shit. And it was like the world just started circulating me money, skill, you know, mentors, good friends, not bad friends. So whatever you're looking for, and sometimes you don't know what you're looking for, that's why you're finding shit, but whatever you're looking for, you're going to find, I believe. So I was looking for greatness, I was pursuing greatness, and shit just started to flow my way. And maybe that's luck, I don't know. But all I know is if you're freaking doing what you're supposed to do, somehow shit works out pretty good. You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Wow, that's a lot of sauce. Thank you.